Good morning, YouTube fans. Today we're replacing a battery in an iPhone 5. We took the small screws out of the bottom. There's one on each side of the charger. And then we lifted it up. Olivia helped me hold it. You got the bad battery.
That's the
Two itty bitty screws right here that take off this cover. And then the charger cable pops right up. And it's glued down in there, and it's very tough. But I don't know if you can see this or not. The old battery is swelled, and that's what caused it to go bad. So we're ready to put the new one in. All right,
say
babe.
one thing.
Sure.
As you can tell, this has tons of wrinkles on it, but it doesn't matter because it's an old battery if it has wrinkles or not.
Yep. It's going out to the trash. We're gonna recycle it, huh?
Yep. Do you want me to put it out in the recycling bag?
No.
We'll do it with all the other stuff we're recycling.
All right. You wanna come over here, assistant, and help me?
Okay. So it looks like somehow this has to connect.
Yep, we gotta get that down there. You wanna hold the top?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see how we get this down on there.
I'm just trying to move my arm so you can have light. I'm trying to pull it up as high as it can. I just don't want to hurt it. I'm sorry if you can't see. Okay. So wait, maybe I can get it in.
Hold on. I think we need to come up with it.
Okay. But if you can't get it, I'll do it for you. The wrinkling part doesn't matter, only if it's on the old battery.
Alrighty. Having trouble with the cable, so let's try installing the cable first. There we go. Now,
You're just going to have to slide it in there perfectly.
yep, let's slide it in place.
But as you can see, if the cable, if you put the battery in first, then use up the cable, it would be good too. At the same time, it doesn't matter which one you do first. But if you're having trouble, put the cable in first. It's like a bit too far.
Oh.
I think it could do a little dance.
Well, it's caught on the edge there, ain't it?
And as you can see, it gets way easier once you know what you're doing. Yep, it has a little wrinkle in it, but hopefully it didn't. Done? Can I let this down for a minute or two?
Yep, now we can reinstall the glass. Oh, no, we gotta put the plate back on to hold that in place.
I just heard something.
My itty bitty screws. I can hold it right there. Oh, the screw does not want to go in that hole. Get the other one.
I'm already pressing the button.
Don't press it,
Why?
because we don't have it together yet.
I'm just gonna let this down.
No, okay, hold it up. Let's see if we can get this in the right place.
I'm gonna let this rest.
Okay.
So that's what makes it so easy.
Yep, that's what makes it easy.
And they're magnetic, so
Pretty easy. Now we're just going to press firmly on that. And then the final two screws go in the bottom. And it powers back on. Unit's powered on, working fine. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. More interesting little tidbits that we get into in our lives. Thanks for watching.